wearing a smile and float that horn strong. So I pitched a fit, yelled a bit, he quit blowing that horn. I was feeling really good about the way I shut that old boy up, till I remembered the bumper sticker on the back of my old truck. This is what it said: Honk, honk if you love Jesus. Yeah, that's bad. It gets worse. Get to the altar, and the whole church met me there to pray. But when I got up there, he stood. He was a visiting preacher that day. He said he had a divine inspiration, and he preached on the golden rule. You can imagine my perspiration when he's preaching to you know who. So the moral of this story is simple, don't you see? You got a Jesus sticker on the back of the car, be what you ought to be.